is a 24. That's what we use in the oil field. And when I worked on the rigs, drilling rigs and stuff like that, we'd arm wrestle these. So I'm gonna weigh it so you know that it ain't light, and I'll show you how we arm wrestle. Let's do it. 6.8. Alright, and then what you do is you have to lay your arm directly flat, all the way down, like this. So nothing's up, nothing's down. So you gotta keep it straight. So, and then you turn it, and then with your arm straight, you arm wrestle it to the side without moving. If y'all think I can do it, go get y'all 24, a real one, not aluminum, steel, Pittsburgh. Y'all try it. Alright, I'm out now.